All right, so here's another practice because I want to make sure before we move into condensing that you've had enough practice with these. And again, this time I want you to expand it completely. I want you to go ahead and list the rules as you're working them out. List the rules of when you're doing which thing. And again, if there's multiplication, you use it. Make sure you say that you're going to use product rule. If you see exponents, that means you're going to use the power rule. If you see division, that means you're going to do the quotient rule. So when it comes to each one of these, there are rules that are using, and then there might be a rule that you don't use. So make sure that you're careful with that. Look at the rules first. If you need to write the rules down first and then go back and do them, do that. But make sure that you do the rules and also expand it out. And if you can put into the calculator and get a decimal answer around 3 decimal places. And that means that there's going to be 3 places behind the decimal. And that last place either rounds up or it stays the same depending on what is right behind it, what's in that 4th spot. If it's a 5 or more in that 4th spot, that number in the 3rd spot moves up. If it's the number in the 4th spot is less, that number in the 3rd spot stays the same. All right, so go ahead and work on that. And then I'm going to move on to the next part, which is condensing.